Sorry about that, y'all. I'm gonna need some. Cause I had hot chips, but I'm not gonna do it because. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss out none of my videos. I've always said thumbs up on this video too. Probably should turn his fan back on. So you probably see the title that I got me. Oh, this thing broke. Sorry about the hole in this bag. I kind of had it in my purse, a pack purse. Got it from the App Store. A new iPhone. I got the iPhone 12 Pro, and I had got my earplugs and also the plug that you use the cord to plug in the wall. I had got that too. Also, like, subscribe to my second channel, my bargain channel, and also and follow my social medias: Twitter, Instagram. I would say Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and TikTok, and all my social medias that be in the description box. Start the video, and so then let's do an unboxing because I want to unbox this thing, so I'm very nervous. And yeah. Okay, so before I unbox it, I do want to show y'all how it looks from my old phone that I have right here. So soon I'm going to be getting it's a kit box I'm supposed to get that I have to ship this in because I'm trading in to get this one. It was like this because I got it from Strike Talk on this iPhone, and this is how it looks of the size of it. The size of it, look. This thing is like thicker. It's like this one's thicker than this one. And when I was comparing and showing my mom, this is how it was looking like this. But before we get started, I do the unboxing. And I'm gonna turn this fan back on because I'm getting hot because I got my brother's lamp and I got this other lamp. A new iPad too, soon later this year. Probably in this year I might give me another one. And also want to show y'all these. I had got this one to plug in the wall, and also earplugs because I do need to have some because I don't really have none. I have the ones without the cord. I don't have none, so I need to give me some. Hope that y'all see it. Okay, I'm very nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. So beautiful. Came with the cord. Designed by got with the piece things. Oh, I got one of these because I got one already. I already have one. And the cord. So I have the cord of it. Now on the cord. And this thing is big. This thing is like big, y'all. It is really big. Now, don't mind my nails. My nails look so bad. I gotta redo it. Now this. Sorry about that. I got the wrong way. And this comes with the book thing. Comes with like a book. Oh wow! It has this in here. God, it looks so really nice. I didn't know that. The earpiece things in here, and the charger. Oh shit, I should have. Well, I got some chargers I have, so it's fine. The charger came with it. Well, you have to charge it up. So it's my first time having something like this. So it's my first. Oh, I gotta get used to that. The US. Oh shoot, my Wi-Fi. So yeah, gotta do that one. I'll be right back, y'all, on that one. Okay guys, I already set up my Wi-Fi on here, but I'm gonna get started on doing the face thing on it so that. Okay guys, I'm back. So I had to like get off my old phone, and I was recording on there because I'm trying to like also back up the videos that I have to your face. So if I wait a minute, I need to start. Wow. Wow. It's set up, says passcode, your passcode. Of like you have to put a passcode thing in it of your passcode for your ID. It's getting me confused with this lighting. Just do like that. Wait a minute. I need to first log out of this first before I back it up and stuff, because it's gonna like, you know, I need to do that. This phone's kind of hot. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
Guys, it's setting up. I'm backing up my storage on my iCloud. I had log in and doing that. I had log out of that. Log out of this phone. I gotta take the mirror card out of this because tonight I gotta redo my Straight Talk service and stuff tonight. Also, I gotta reset this whole thing on this phone, as I know that when I get that kit box is going to I'm gonna ship it off, and I know you're supposed to get money like a credit award, a credit. They give you $80 on the iPhone 7. Getting everything off of here, so I do need to just put it down right here, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, guys, it done. It's finished. It had the same things that I had on my old phone. Like, see, same thing, and it already unlocked it because I had, and it save all like my contacts and everything on here. It's download all the apps that I have on here. Oh my god, it download all the apps that I got the background has the same. I'm gonna change the background anyway because that's what I was gonna set up your app pay. I don't really use that. I don't really use that. To compare to that, the size of it to both of these, I didn't even do that. This one's bigger and thicker than that one. I am getting a phone case for it. Fingerprints on it. So the camera, it has like, you can zoom out, zoom in. Let me see how the camera takes. Okay, it's lighting. Oh my god, it has like, oh, background. I like that. Okay, so I should turn the light part off. It's too bright, but I'm just testing it out. Okay guys, so everything is set on my phone. It shows all my apps I got, new apps that's on here. We do something different with it. I'm gonna try to kind of like, you know, it has the same background of the screen. I'm resetting my old phone because I know I saw a YouTube video that said that if you are trying to sell like your phone or give it away or trade it into another iPhone, you have to reset your whole thing. And before I had did it, I had to log out of my iCloud onto it. So I had to like do that. That's the only thing. But I'm gonna be doing something with this phone. I'm gonna be like get a phone screen. I like the color of it. I was gonna get gold, but I said no, I'm not gonna get that. But I'm gonna get a screen, a cover for it. It's supposed to come in the mail at Amazon. I'm getting. So I'm gonna be doing some videos on this phone, and I'm be doing like a organize on this phone too. And I like the camera in the back. I try not to put too many fingerprints on it, but my bad. I gotta clean it when I get the stuff I got. Yeah, I think that's it. I want to show y'all. I'm just gonna let this phone rest, let it charge because I know tonight I gotta reload my service, Straight Talk service stuff. I put the SIM card in it. It saves all my contact. I got my contacts and apps that I had. And if y'all enjoy this, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up, like it if you like it. Thumbs up onto this video. It's so bright. And subscribe if you are new to my channel. Subscribe if you want more content on my channel, and do that. And follow my social medias Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all my social media be in the description box. Be you, do you, and let's be safe. And so, but I'm gonna go. I see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all enjoy it, but I enjoy this phone and I love it. And I love this phone. So I gotta go. Bye, y'all.